So you should all know that green ghost behind me. That's Slimer, and everybody loves Slimer. It's kind of a deep, complicated love that borders dangerously close to obsession. Slimer is the cash cow of the Ghostbusters universe. He was on everything back in the day, from action figures to breakfast cereals to Hi-C fruit juice. But here's something you might not have known about. Back in 1991, Slimer even had his own line of fruit snacks. Now you'll notice that the actual Ghostbusters appeared nowhere on the box. And I just so love the idea of Peter and Egon taking a hardline stance on their licensing fees and this random fruit snack company just telling them to fuck off. Now, opening this box will severely diminish its collectible value, so I hope you'll remember the things I do for you when I throw together that GoFundMe to cover my trip to Easter Island. Alright, just for starters, these packages are frickin' adorable. I am absolutely in love with them. So it's been over 25 years, I think, and the fruit snacks have gotten a bit crusty. Even so, I can still see some Slimers in there, proton packs, a little Stay Puft. Kind of looks like stuff you might make out of Play-Doh if you only had one color and a really small can of it. So now, of course, I need to do a taste test. Wish me luck. I do the sign of the cross, but I can never remember if it's north, south, east, west, or north, south, west, east. It's been a while. This skeleton gag, $40 fucking dollars. I put $40 into this skeleton joke that barely landed. The truth is that even after 25 years, they still taste better than most of today's fruit snacks. Like a sangria flavored Starburst almost. Slimer is a magician. I hope you've enjoyed my review of Slimer fruit snacks from 1991. If you're on the fence about it, then I take solace in knowing that you have no other reviews of Slimer fruit snacks from 1991 to compare it to. Good night.